A REL file is a relocatable module from the Nintendo GameCube and Wii era. Dynamically loaded game code that extends a title's functionality. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you work with these console game modules. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any REL file. Let's try the simple solutions first. REL files are relocatable code modules used in Nintendo GameCube and Wii games to implement dynamic code loading. They contain position-independent compiled PowerPC machine code that is loaded and linked at runtime, allowing games to load code modules on demand. Nintendo REL files contain compiled PowerPC code with relocation tables that allow the game runtime linker to fix up code addresses after loading. They support multiple code sections and export tables. The format is similar to shared libraries in standard operating systems. Dolphin Emulator is the standard set by the Dolphin Emulator project for accessing the REL format. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows lacks the ability to preview internal code, so proper handling requires technical applications. We'll conduct a full check of installed file readers now. Right-click your REL file and select Open With. Test Dolphin Emulator if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates uncertainty. If your REL file will not open, do not worry. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, extracting REL files. Use Dolphin Emulator's file system browser or GCRebuilder to extract REL files from GameCube or Wii ISO images. REL files are typically found in the game's main directory, or in dedicated module subdirectories within the game file system. Next, analyzing REL code. Use a PowerPC disassembler, such as Ghidra, with the GameCube TOS Wii processor plugin to analyze REL file code. Ghidra can process relocation entries to correctly analyze inter-module function calls and data references in extracted REL modules. Finally, modifying for ROM hacking. GameCube and Wii ROM hackers use custom REL tools to modify game code modules, apply code patches using gecko codes, or inject modified REL files back into game ISOs using GCRebuilder. Always back up original game images before modification. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.